Hello, and thank you for choosing Komatsu products. The purpose of this video is to aid operators and service personnel by illustrating the location of important components found in the Komatsu D375A-8 dozer. Let's get started. The D375A-8 utilizes a Tier 4 final compliant engine that is capable of 748 net horsepower in reverse. There are many components that have been added to this engine. We will discuss each of these in detail. In order to meet Tier 4 final emissions regulations, diesel particulate filters have been placed on the exhaust system. These filters capture and oxidize particulate matter while the machine is operating. This machine utilizes 2 diesel particulate filters. Another component that has been added to the Tier 4 final compliant engine is the Komatsu Closed Crankcase Ventilation System, otherwise known as the KCCV. The KCCV collects and filters blow-by gas and reverts this filtered gas back into the intake. The KCCV is serviceable. Please reference the Operation and Maintenance Manual for service intervals and service procedures. Another component found on Tier 4 final engines is the mass airflow sensor. This sensor's main purpose is to calculate the amount of air the engine is consuming. By making this calculation, the engine controller can effectively control particulate matter output. In order for the diesel particulate filter to efficiently oxidize particulate matter, heat must be created in the exhaust system. Komatsu has incorporated hydrocarbon dosing, or HC dosing nozzles, that can inject a calibrated amount of diesel fuel into the exhaust system during the regeneration process. Tier 4 final engines utilize a process called exhaust gas recirculation. The exhaust gas recirculation cooler, otherwise known as the EGR cooler, can be found on the front of the engine. The purpose of this device is to cool and recirculate exhaust gas through the engine. This will reduce combustion temperatures. Reducing combustion temperatures will reduce emissions. Another feature is the Variable Geometry Turbocharger, or VGT, with an improved propeller design, utilizing hydraulic technology for variable control of airflow, providing optimal power and efficiency. Moving to the front of the dozer, we can see the swing-out fan. Swinging out the fan allows the radiator to be easily cleaned and inspected. On the left side of the machine, there's easy access to the cartridge filters and air filters. Notice that the engine compartment doors are easily opened. Once opened, these doors allow easy access to the service items. The engine oil level can also be checked on the left side. Also on the left side of the machine is the battery compartment. The batteries are easy to access thanks to the large hinged cover. Behind the battery compartment is the starter isolator and battery isolator. These switches can be used to disable the machine while performing maintenance or inspections. There is also an external power supply connector that should be used when starting the machine if the batteries are depleted. As we move to the left rear of the machine, we can see the quick couplers and the remote grease points. These components provide convenient ground level accessibility. Moving to the right rear of the machine, we find the emergency shutdown switch, the access light switch, and the access ladder operation switch. The emergency shutdown switch can be used to shut down the machine in case of emergency. This switch should not be used in place of the machine key. The access light switch will turn on the access lights so that the operator can safely enter the cab. Once inside the cab, the operator can turn the access lights off by using the switch inside the cab. The ladder operation switch will raise or lower the ladder. Once the operator has reached the top of the ladder, there are additional switches that can be used to raise or lower the ladder. This concludes the component location video for the Komatsu D375A-8. If you would like more information regarding this product, please contact your local sales representative or visit KomatsuAmerica.com. Thank you for choosing Komatsu products.